Hello guys, welcome to SK Legal Vlogs. Friends, as we discuss the concept of patent, under the patent, who will get a patent of his invented product, who is known as the patentee, has certain rights and obligations which we will be discussed in this vlog. Friends, a patentee has the following rights for a fixed term. The first is right to exploit patent. So in terms of section 48 of the Patent Act 1970, the patentee or the person legally authorized by him can make commercial use of the patented invention, and he can exclude third parties who do not have his consent. However, this right is subject to the conditions laid down in section 47, which empower the government to import or use the patent product for its own use. The co-owners of a patent shall also be entitled to equal undivided share in the patent. Second right and obligation is right to grant license. So according to section 70, if a patentee is not able or willing to exploit the patent himself, he can grant license to some other person or authorize him to exploit the patent and pay him the consideration or royalty. For example, patentee of invention of the new sound system has a right to license his right to another party to make and sell the system in a particular territory. Third rights and obligation is right to assign patent. So in terms of section 70, as we discussed above, and section 68, a patentee can fully or partially assign his patent to another person through sale, gift, or any other legal mode. And for this purpose, section 67 requires that such assignment should be in writing in express agreements, and such agreements should be registered to avoid any subsequent litigation in future. Fourth rights obligation is to right to surrender the patent. A patentee is not under an obligation to maintain his monopoly right on the patent for the entire term of patent. He may surrender the patent anytime if he desires so. Section 63 Section 63 provides that a patentee may at any time, by giving notice to the controller, offer to surrender his patent. The controller, before accepting the offer of surrender, advertises the offer to India to give opportunity to the parties having any interests. For example, licensees may oppose the offer of surrender. Fifth point is the right to be issued duplicate patent. According to section 154 and 118, if a patent is lost or destroyed or its non-production is explained satisfactorily to the controller, the patentee has a right to apply for duplicate patent. The last right and obligation of a patentee is the right against infringement. In terms of section 104 to 108 of the Patent Act 1970, the exclusive rights of patentee can be legally protected by excluding unauthorized persons from exploring patent of others, and the violation of rights of a patentee amounts to infringement. Patentee has a right to seek legal remedies, including civil suit against the infringer. So, friend, these are the above said sixth rights and remedy of a patentee while applying for a patent. So, may you note down the above said points for if you are appearing for an examination or for your personal knowledge, or may take screenshot so that you for अपने future records. Thanks for watching this vlog and keep watching SK Legal Vlog.